I would teach you a very easy, interesting method of writing any tables. In school, I assure you, if we know tables till 10, 12 or 15, if you know till 20, it's excellent. But that should be mentally revised thoroughly. You should be knowing at the back of your palm. Table should be very, very good, and it's a very good advantage if you know your tables well. In real life, we never require such big tables, and we don't require in school. No one asks us a table of 71 or 910 or 62 or 95. But if you can do it, people will of course appreciate it. They will tell you're intelligent. Let's see. As I told you, it's not at all difficult. Believe me, you can write any tables in a minute. Only thing, you should know your tables till 10, 12 thoroughly. Let's see how to write. If this trick is understood, it can be applicable for any numbers under the sun. Bigger numbers, if with a little practice and a little more understanding, you can solve any tables in a minute. Let's see this. I'm writing the tables of 71. 71 ones are, everyone knows it's 71. 71 tens are is 710. What is the last digit written? A 1. So next to 2, write a 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. My last digit is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's written here? A 7. I will simply write 7's table here. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, which everyone knows. And this is my table of 71. Everything is in front of our eyes, but sadly, we are not much observant about things. What did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because the last digit is a 1 and this is 7, so the tables of 7. My complete table is over. No one can tell this answer is wrong. If I were to tell you this, the last digit is a 0. I'll put a 0 in the end of all the digits. This is a 1. So I simply put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a 10. Okay. Now 9's table. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and a 90. This is 910 and an extra 0. This is my table of 910. If you have understood this trick can be applicable for any numbers at random. Last digit is 2. What should I do, children? It's a 2. Next, 2 twos is a 4. 6, 8, 10. In case of 10, I'll carry the 1. I can also make it 12, balance 1, 14, carry 1. I can, but let's keep it simple. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Another 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now the tables of 6 will come in use. 12, 18, 24. 24 plus 6 is 30, but I can see a balance, so it becomes 31. 31, we'll add 6, it gives 37. 43, 49, 55 and last digit 62. Because it's 60 and 1 increased here and 1 balance is here, it becomes 620. My tables of 62 is over. If someone sees, they'll think you have done something great. But you know, we have just used a little trick. It's a 5, a 10. 5, a 10. I can make it 15, 20, 25 also. But keep it simple. 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10. Now what should I do? The use of 9's table. 9 plus 9, 18 and 1, 19. I'll add another 9 to it. It gives me a 28. 28 plus 9 gives me 37 plus 1, 38. Keep on adding 9. So this becomes 47. If I add another 9, it becomes 56 and 1, 57. Keep on adding 9 and you'll get the answer. Only thing, you should follow the pattern here and the first digit you have to write the tables. There is a very interesting thing. In our childhood days, we learned 3's table. Look at it. This is called the tic-tac-toe method of table. Tic-tac-toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a 10. Put a 0 in the first line, put a 1 in this line, a 2 in this line and a 3 last. If you just check it out, is it 3 stable? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. That's the table of 3. We work very hard. I would suggest make children understand there is lots and lots to learn. Only thing, learn the power of observation. Read books. Everything is there in books. But I would suggest keep yourself abreast with what's going on in the world by reading books. There is nowadays everything available in the net. Make full use of it. First, learn, then you can increase your earning capacity to a great extent. Learn is spelled as L-E-A-R-N. First learn, then go to earn. You can increase your net worth in life.